Hello, my name is Andres, and in this video we're going to learn how to export S-Concrete reports to a Microsoft Word document. S-Concrete's intuitive and easy-to-use interface can greatly benefit from exporting all the valuable data generated by the codecs into a Microsoft Word document. This way, it is easier to share information amongst colleagues during design, or maybe showing the design's results to a client. Microsoft Word reports can be generated by S-Concrete with just a few clicks. There are a couple buttons that we must get familiarized with before generating reports. This is the Add to Document or Report button, and you'll be able to see it in different instances like here in the main interface, but also in the Results Report window and in the N versus M diagram tool, as we'll review in a second. This button will add all the information portrayed on screen to the Microsoft Word document that will be generated later on. This is the Export to Document button, which will generate the Microsoft Word document containing all the information that we added using the previous button. As we can see, this document list is empty at the moment, but we'll be able to move or delete elements from this list as we wish. Feel free to click on the Help button to learn more about the features on this window. I'm just going to close it for now. If I click on the Add to Document button, this will add a screenshot of this whole window to our report. We can also click and drag these windows in the GUI to change how the information in the report will be portrayed, so I'll just change the layout a little bit. And if we want to change the fonts, we can click on Settings, Preferences, and Drawing Font to adjust the fonts as we see fit. Now I'm clicking on the Add to Document button, and I'll just name this one T-Beam Cross Section. If we want to double check that the image was added successfully, we can always click on the Export to Document button and we'll see that everything's set the way we wish. Right now we'll just hit the Close button as we'll be adding more info to this report. Let's go now to the Results Report window, where this tool is certainly the most useful. We can see that with the previous step we already added the beams cross-section to the report. And if we click on the Add to Document button, this will add the entire report to our soon-to-be Microsoft Word document, including all the different sections on the report. And we're going to generate our results report and add it to our documents. This is the N versus M diagram tool. Let's just click, and by default, S-Concrete will only show us the normal envelope. So let's say I want a picture of this. I'm going to zoom in a little and scroll down. And I'll add this picture to our report, which will be normal envelope. Let's say I also want the nominal and the probable envelopes to be shown in my report. I'm just going to check this box. Once again, zoom in a little. And I'm just going to add this one as normal, nominal, and probable envelopes. And I can click on the OK button. Once I'm done adding all the desired information, I can click on the Export to Document button to check that everything has been added successfully. We can change the order of the elements on the list. For example, if I want the normal envelope to be at the bottom of this list, I can just click on it and move it using the arrows. And once we check that the information is set the way we wish, we can finally click on the Word button. It is important to mention that in case there is an open Word document at the moment, the info will be exported to that document and you'll find it at the very bottom of it. Or in case there is no Word document open at the moment, S-Concrete will generate a new one, which is the case. So I'll just hit on the Word button and I'll save this one on my desktop. So here it is. This is our Microsoft Word documents containing all the information from S-Concrete that we specified, which is also displayed in the order that we chose, as you can see. So this Word document can be modified manually to adjust to our needs. So for example, if I don't want my file's location to be shown here, I can simply delete that one. Maybe some of you like that S-Concrete highlights on green the acceptable status. That can certainly be reproduced here on Microsoft Word. You can also resize the images to see them in more detail. For example, I'll resize the T-beam cross-section image. This can also be done for the N versus M diagrams images. And well, you can also change the font style, the size, and every other configuration within this Word document. And with this, we want to exemplify how all the information is displayed according to the user's needs, which will always facilitate the information exchange among peers or with clients. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.